shines beneath the city glow. 1,000 stories drifting slow. Footsteps echo through the night, guided by the endless light. People passing, dreams unfold. Moments worth more than gold. In this place I've never known, somehow it already feels like home. And I keep walking on through the lights of Dotonbori. Every little moment shines like a page from a story. The night breeze calls my name as the city softly sings, and for a while the world feels still, like a dream carried by the wind. Neon colors on the water flow, memories forming as I go. No destination, no regret, just beautiful moments I won't forget. When tomorrow comes and I leave this place, these lights will never fade away. Osaka lives inside my heart, even when we're far apart. And I keep walking on through the lights of Dotonbori. Every little moment shines like a page from a story. The night breeze calls my name as the city